Hey friends, welcome back to another video and welcome if you are new. So today I wanted to try testing out some of the new Madam Glam gel polishes to do like these marble nails that were kind of viral at one point. So these are all the colors that I received and they are absolutely beautiful. This one is called Candy Pop and it's just a nice bright red. This one is like a more salmony kind of peachy kind of pink, I would say. It's called Peach Pie, and these were actually a bit lighter in real life but look a little darker on screen. So yeah, these colors were absolutely beautiful. Of course, Madam Glam and their formula was absolutely amazing. Just can't say good enough things about these gel polishes. I just love them so much and I'm really grateful that they sent them over to me. And this is their May collection, which I know I'm very late to do a video on, but here it is. And they also have like some other colors. I believe I got sent 6 of the colors, but they have, I believe, 2 more colors. And all of these shades were really beautiful. And the first thing that I thought of when looking at these colors was like a rainbow design, but I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do that, so I went with the swirl instead. And I'm going to be using some of these extra gel polishes for the swirls because I wanted some of these of similar colors but a bit darker or a bit neon, so that's why I picked these extra colors. And I'm also going to use the Madam Glam Perfect White and also the Macabre Blooming Gel. So let's just get straight into the nail set. So I'm going to start off by applying a peel-off base coat. This one's really good. It's from UNT and I'm just going to apply a thin layer to all my nails. As that's drying, I'm going to size out my Amazon nail tips and I will link where you can get these from down below. All the products used in this video will be linked down below, and I do have a discount code with Madam Glam. It is CAMIN30 for 30% off their website. Then I'm taking the Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue and I'm applying a tiny amount of this gel to like the little wells of the tips, and this just makes it super easy for me to just quickly press on. Down the nails a little bit. I'm kind of going for a slightly medium-ish kind of length today, so I cut them down about that much. And then taking this e-file from Sani, which I reviewed in my last video, and it's really good and I want to keep using it to see how well it's gonna work and how good it's gonna be. So yeah, I'm just using that today as well, and I'm taking the fine grit or medium grit sanding band and just removing the shine from all the nail tips. gonna go in with the Glow Tips Nude Pink Polygel, and this is something that I received a while back and I still use from time to time. I do like to change up my nudes, and just to let you guys know, for some reason there were lots of tiny little like glitter pieces. I don't know where these were coming from, but it was just really frustrating me, and they weren't coming out of my polygel, so I just decided to leave some of them there, and they ended up getting covered by the design I did anyway. But trust me, it was just super frustrating knowing there was like little pieces of glitter. And I also really cleaned my brush before applying my polygel, and you know, I still got some specks of glitter here and there, which was super annoying. So yeah, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead with my polygel application. Today I'm doing one bead method because this polygel was just a really good consistency. I remember working with this polygel when I first got sent it, and I really loved the formula, and I still do today. I think it's just such a great formula. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. It's very similar to the Macart formula. If not, it's a little bit softer, but as you can see, it stays where you put it and it doesn't like flood the cuticle or move, and it's just a really good one. The only thing with this polygel would be that sometimes it can get slightly warm on the nail plate, but I've never experienced like any burning, and that might just be because of like its consistency, because it is a little soft, but I don't mind that because it's not so soft to the point where it just slides everywhere. So yeah, I'm just doing the one bead. I'm first working on the cuticle area, making sure that's nice and smooth and flat, and then I start to work on the sides of the nail, kind of dragging and pulling that polygel down where I need it. And of course, if you want to go in with like a second bead, then definitely do, but today I just felt like doing one bead and just putting out this nail set really quick. I did film this really late at night, so yeah, I wouldn't say I rushed it, but I was just like speeding everything up because it was getting really late. Interested in the Glow Tips products, they also do a bunch of very nice quality gel polishes and also other shades of polygel. You can use my discount code CAMIN10 and that will save you 10% off your order on their website. I will have this polygel link down below. If it's sold separately, I will have it there. But yeah, overall just really good things to say about this brand. Definitely one of those brands that have definitely started off with like really good formulas and just really good products. I also really love their packaging of their gel polishes. You guys might have seen me use their gel polishes in like a bunch of other videos because I just really love them. So yeah, definitely check them out in the description. And if you are still watching, I just want to say a huge thank you for making it to this part of the video. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys being here right now. If you are still down below, just comment a heart emoji and I would love to say hi to you. Thank you again for being here. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. I have been uploading pretty consistently, pretty much every other day, and I've been pretty happy with my upload schedule and you guys seem to like it too. So yeah, definitely turn on your post notifications to be notified of when I post. I will be having a polygel kit review hopefully coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Now I'm just gonna wipe away the sticky layer. This polygel didn't have a lot of stickiness to it, which was really nice, but just wipe down your nails regardless, just because you don't want to mess up your hand file or your e-file. I'm just gonna start filing my nails, and this is a pretty simple routine for me. I just go over the sidewalls and then I pretty much just file the surface. I like to apply my polygel really smooth and even, so I feel like it's more of like a buffing type of situation for me on the surface. But if I do have to do like major debulking, or there's like something went wrong with my cuticle area, I usually go in with my e-file. If you want to check out my previous video, I did explain a little bit as to how I e-file, and I did also use my e-file in that video, just showing you guys how I would do that. So if you're interested, then definitely check out the previous video. So once all the nails are done, I'm just removing all the dust with my lint-free wipe, and then I'm going in with a layer of top coat. This is the Glow Tips top coat. It's a really good one, and I definitely enjoy using it. It's like really close to, it's like a good mix between Macat and Madam Glam, I would say. It's a pretty good top coat. And then I'm gonna start with the design. So I'm gonna use the colors I showed in the beginning, and I'm basically gonna apply these kind of close to each other. But the thumb was a practice nail for me, but I filmed it regardless just in case it went well, which it did. But you'll see later that I'm gonna change up how I place my colors, but this is a way you can do it. So after picking up the gel polishes all together, you want to basically lay your gel polish horizontally, and that's pretty much how you're going to go all the way down the nail. Don't worry if you can't see that like line effect, like the marbled line effect, because in the end you can always go in and touch up by adding in little lines of specific colors you want to pop more. So yeah, I feel like that's definitely an easy way to get this effect. But I did also forget to mention, I did apply blooming gel. You'll see it in the other nails, but this nail was definitely a practice, and I was pretty happy with how it turned out. If the gel polish is too thick, then don't forget to wipe down the sides of the nail with the brush before you cure. So now I'm going to repeat this with the red shades, and as you can see, I picked out like a dark red, a light red, and then the white, and I decided to put the white in between each color just so the reds are not so overpowering, because I feel like to get a good effect on this, you would need a lot of white. Otherwise the colors would just blend together and it wouldn't really stand out that much. So I feel like the white is really important, and despite putting in that white, the red was still overpowering. So a tip would be to actually use less of the pigmented colors and add in more white. But as you can see, the color scheme actually worked really well. Like the dark red with the light red worked super well. So try to find a similar color that's darker or even neon, and then it works out really good. So I was actually pretty happy with this nail. And then as you can see, really important, make sure you wipe down the sides because you don't want a bulky nail. And then I'm just quickly blending the top just because I don't want that harsh line there. So with this green nail, I feel like it turned out really good actually. As you can see, the colors were still quite overpowering, but I just kind of add more of that white. As you can see, I'm just adding some touches of colors that I feel like are missing, and that's pretty much how I pulled off this look. I hope it looks similar to like the inspo pic. There isn't really an inspo pic, but I just wanted to recreate that design, that line marble design that was kind of going viral at one point. And yeah, I feel like it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does it even look like that? I really hope it does. But yeah, so far so good. And then I'm just doing that little blend, and the blue nail was my favorite. Actually no, the blue and the purple was my favorite. I really loved the purple one a lot actually, because I feel like the colors were really contrasting. So another tip would be try to find colors that are like really contrasting and not kind of like similar colors. You'll see what I mean, because the purple I used from the Madam Glam collection was like a really light purple, and the other purple that I used was really dark. So I feel like it worked so good. I feel like with this nail I could have even used a really dark blue to really contrast, and that would have like stood out a lot more. But it's still okay. I feel like it's still nice and light and bright for summer, so it still worked out good. But I feel like with more contrasting colors it would look even better. So I just want to say that dark purple that you saw me put on my little palette is called Purple Rain from Glitterbels. They are a UK brand, but they do still ship internationally, and as you can see it just works so good. Like this purple works so good. I love this one the most, I think. And with the white and everything, which contrasts a lot against that darker purple, I think it just works super well. So yeah, this one was definitely my favorite. Again, I am adding in little bits of the colors where it's missing, and then kind of just blending the top and then cleaning the side walls, of course. So once all the nails were nice and cured for 60 seconds, as you can see I got no wrinkling, which I was super happy about. I then went in with the Glow Tips top coat, and before I cured I added in just the tiniest little cuticle crystal. You can use any crystal for this. I bet you could have even gone in with like matching colored crystals per nail, but I feel like that would have been too much. There's already so much going on with this look, and I wanted the focus to be on these beautiful bright colors marbled horizontally, so I just kept it simple with one rhinestone, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. And I do just want to mention I do have a discount code with Macart. It's Nails by Camin for 15% off. So now I'm just adding some cuticle oil and rubbing that in really well. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I think these nails turned out really cute, and the like horizontal ombre marble, I mean, just looks so good. I think it's definitely like an eye-catching one, and definitely super bright and perfect for summer. I just really like how these nails turn out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will leave a pinned comment down below if you want to answer to that, so do let me know. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I have been posting a little bit more now, so if you're interested in seeing my reels, then definitely check that out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.